East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner R.M. Kurba announced that all Durga Puja pandals in the city have been inspected and found to comply with designated areas, addressing concerns about potential public space encroachment raised by a local pressure group. Kurba assured reporters that Puja committees, magistrates and police are closely monitoring the situation to ensure the festivities proceed smoothly. Emphasizing mutual respect during religious celebrations, she noted the importance of maintaining peace, especially with upcoming festivals like Christmas and Senkutsnem. To enhance security, all Puja pandals are equipped with CCTV cameras and daily law and order reviews are being conducted. This year, Meghalaya has 251 Puja pandals affiliated with the Central Puja Committee, excluding private, army and police pandals.
As I said earlier, we are a circular country and we should accept, respect each other's faith, and we are ensuring that there's peace. All the Puja committees are fixed with CCTVs to ensure that there's no incident that happens in the vicinity and also outside. So all these are being recorded, so to ensure that people who visit the committee, the Puja Mandap, is safe, and also people passing through will be safe. There should not be. We can appeal to everyone. At this point of time, we do not create this kind of sense of disrespectful for any religion or